Welcome to Uptime.com and to our video on how to set up your Ping ICMP check. In this video, we will walk you through how to set up and configure your Ping check in Uptime.com. Ping check, also known as ICMP, is a monitoring feature used to verify the availability and responsiveness of your website or server by sending ping requests. The ping test determines if the server or website is online and how long it takes for the server to respond. To begin, log into your Uptime.com account. Once you're logged in, head to the Monitoring section and click on Checks. Now, click Add New, and from the Check Type dropdown, choose Ping ICMP Check. In the Name of Check field, enter a unique name. This helps you easily identify the check later. The next step is to configure the check interval, which determines how frequently Uptime.com monitors your website or service for availability and performance. Next, add a contact. This ensures that if the ping check fails, an alert is sent directly to the contact you've added. The next step is to specify the locations where the test should be executed. You can also add tags to help organize and categorize your checks. This is particularly useful if you're managing multiple domains. Finally, enter your domain in the domain field. This is the domain that will be checked against the safe browsing lists. We also offer additional options for further configuration. The second tab, Advanced, allows you to set the number of locations and retries before the system triggers an alert to your specified contact. You can also configure the target SLA % and target response time SLA, which defines the minimum availability that your check must meet. You can also select which IP version will be used for the check. The next tab, Escalations, lets you add multiple contacts. These contacts will be notified if the check remains down for an extended period. Finally, in the Maintenance tab, you can place the check in maintenance mode. While in this mode, any failed checks will be excluded from uptime calculations and no alerts will be sent. What should you do when you receive a Ping ICMP alert? An alert is triggered if the ping check detects 60% or more packet loss or if the server response time exceeds 1,200 milliseconds. If you receive an alert indicating 100% packet loss, we recommend verifying that the IP addresses of our probe servers are whitelisted. To access the IP addresses of our probe servers, navigate to Probe Servers and select Public Probe Servers. This page will display the full list of IPv4 and IPv6 addresses for each probe server. In rare cases, you might encounter the alert error, check ping, invalid hostname address, which is typically related to a DNS issue. We recommend verifying your DNS configurations with your provider or consulting your dedicated team to ensure everything is functioning correctly and the settings are accurate. And that's it. You've now set up your Ping ICMP check and are ready to monitor your domain for potential threats. This concludes our video tutorial setting up your Ping ICMP check. For more detailed guidance, explore our extended video library or refer to our Ping ICMP check basics documentation linked in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at Uptime.com.